In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make straight quotations in Microsoft Word. When typing in Microsoft Word, you may notice that quotation marks automatically appear as curly or smart quotes. While these are useful for most writing, there are times, especially in coding, technical documents, or certain styles, where straight quotation marks are preferred. Microsoft Word allows you to switch between curly quotes and straight quotes with just a few steps. To begin, open the Word document where you want to type straight quotation marks. Next, go to the File tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen and select Options. This will open the Word Options dialog box where you can customize various settings for your document and Word in general. In the Word Options window, select Proofing from the list on the left side. Then, click the button labeled Autocorrect Options. This opens a new window with several tabs controlling automatic formatting behaviors in Word. In the Autocorrect dialog box, go to the Auto Format as you Type tab. Look for the option labeled Straight Quotes with Smart Quotes and check the settings. To make sure Word uses straight quotes instead of curly quotes, uncheck the box that says Replace as you type. This disables the automatic conversion of straight quotes to curly quotes while you type. After making this change, click OK to close the autocorrect window, and then click OK again to close Word Options. Now, when you type quotation marks in your document, Word will display them as straight quotes instead of curly ones. If you already have text with curly quotes and want to convert them to straight quotes, you can use the Find and Replace feature. Press Ctrl-H to open the dialog, type a curly quote in the Find field and a straight quote in the Replace field. Click Replace All, and Word will change all the curly quotes to straight quotes in your document. Using straight quotation marks is especially important for programming, formulas, or documents that require exact formatting. By adjusting these settings, you have full control over how quotes appear in your Word documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.